everybody, welcome back to our channel kaviwebdesigns, and today I'm going to tell you all about our commands kill, locate, find and many more. So the first command in our video today is the kill command. The kill command in Linux is used to terminate processes, and you can specify a process ID or PID to stop a particular process. As you can see here in our sample output, I have written kill 1234. That means the PID, the process ID of the process. So here, if there is no process ID found with that PID or ID, then it will come like this: kill colon the number you have written, no such process found. That means that there is no process which has that particular ID that you have written. So now let's go to our UTM to test this. So here I'm in my Kali Linux here. So now I'm gonna enter into Kali Linux. So I'm back at Kali Linux here, and now here I'm gonna type the command. I'm gonna type our command right here. So here I'm gonna write kill. So now here I want to kill a particular process called with a PID ID of 123. So now when I press enter, here when I press enter, kill will say kill 1234 failed, no such process. That means there is no such process found with the ID of 1234. So knowing this, let's go back to our PowerPoint presentation to learn about more. So here, moving on to our next command in this video is the df command. The df command, disk free command, reports the amount of disk space used and available on file systems. So here in our usage, here it shows df-h. And then here in our sample output, it will come like this, showing the file system and the size, how much the file system has used, the aliva and used percentage unmounted on. And then here it will show what all things have used. What all things have used your disk space. So now let's go to our UTM to test this. So here I'm back at my UTM here, and this time I'm gonna press df-h. So when I press df-h, here it will show the file systems, what the size used, how much the size they used, and what the size are, how much they used, and the aliva, and how much they used in percentage, and the mounted on. And so here udev is the size of 1.9 gigabytes and has used 0 megabytes or gigabytes, and the aliva says it's 1.9 gigabytes and it has used 0% of the disk space. So now, and here is, and for all of these they show like 393 megabytes, 62 gigabytes, and then 5 megabytes and 5.112 megabytes, 393 megabytes also. So here it shows all of the system files that have used your disk space. So now, knowing this, let's go back to our PowerPoint presentation to learn about more. So here, back at our PowerPoint presentation, here moving on to our next command, which is the du command. The du command, disk usage command, estimates the file and directory space usage. So here in our usage, we have written du-sh/var/log. So here in a sample output, it will show this 1.2 gigabytes and shows the file or directory. And the -s flag summarizes the total space of the use by a directory, because here we have written du-sh. That means here we have written du-sh. That means we have written both s and h, and the s tells the total space used by a directory, and h shows the size in a human-readable format like this, 1.2 gigabytes, and the location will show. So here let's go to our UTM to test this. So here back at our UTM here instead of typing the var/log/ we can write something else like du-sh space document slash. So when I press return, here it will show 24K, that means 24 kilobytes, and the directory where the space has been given. So the file called documents has taken 24 kilobytes of our space. So now knowing this, let's go back to our PowerPoint presentation to learn about more. So after this command is the locate command. The locate command files by name quickly using the pre-built database. So here in our usage, suppose I have written locate PASSWD, and the sample output will come like this: /etc/PASSWD. It will show all of the files which have PASSWD with them. So here in the sample output, it shows only three files or directories which have PASSWD as their name. So now let's go to our UTM to run this command. So here back at our UTM, here I'm going to type locate, and here I will locate something called password. So now when I press this, here it will show a big list of stuff which have the PASSWD word in it. So here these are all of the files which have the PASSWD word inside of them. So there's a lot of files which have the word PASSWD. So now, knowing this, let's go back to our PowerPoint presentation to learn about more. Finally, our last command is the find command. The find command in Linux searches for files and directories in a directory hierarchy. And here in our usage, here it shows find /home-name : *txt:*. So here our sample output will come like this. Here it will show home/home/users/documents/notes.txt. You will find, so what the find does is it will find it's just like the locate, but it will find the word .txt in only a directory that you have specified. Here in our usage, we have only specified the /home-space-name. So the find command will only search in that directory to find the word .txt. So now let's go to UTM. Let's go to our UTM to run this command. So here we are back at our Kali Linux, and I have cleared the terminal to write this command find. So here I'm gonna write find /home-name, and then here I'm gonna write a double colon, writing what with an asterisk saying .txt, and then you have to close it like this, and then let's press return. Here will show permission denied here, and then here it'll now show all of the files which have Kali in it. So here there are a lot of .txt files here, and knowing this, let's go back to our PowerPoint presentation to learn about more. So folks, that's it for today. And if you like this video and you want to support us, please like, share, subscribe to our channel kaviwebdesigns, and I hope you will have a nice day, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.